Let's begin. I am using a 4.25mm crochet hook. First, do a magic circle. Now, chain 3. Do 14 double crochets in the circle. Pull the tail to tighten. Then, make a slip stitch on the third chain. Now, chain 6. Do 1 single crochet from the second chain of the hook. On the next chain, do 1/2 double crochet. On the next chain, do 1 double crochet. On the next chain, do 1 triple crochet. On the final chain, do 1 triple crochet. Skip 2 stitches, then slip stitch on the third stitch. Now repeat till you have made all 5 points of the star. Look, a star has formed. Do 1 single crochet in each 5 stitches along the point of the star. When you reach the point, do 1 single crochet. Chain 2. Then 1 single crochet. Now continue to single crochet in each 5 stitches till you reach the end. Repeat this step on each points of the star. You can choose to use a different color or use the same color. If you are using a different color, before you close this row, change the yarn by slip stitching it in. Now repeat the same steps on this row. The star is complete. Congratulations! Now make more stars. You should have 6 in total. Once you have made your 6 stars, position like so. The star in the middle is the top of the hat. You will be joining each point of the stars to the middle stars. I chose to do a bow tie to join them. You can join them however you like. Don't forget to double tie them to secure. Now we're making the brim of the hat. Slip stitch your chosen yarn and chain 9. Sorry my camera cut off here, but yes, once you have chain 9, slip stitch to the next point of the star and chain 9 again. Repeat this until you are back at the beginning. Slip stitch to close. Now chain 3. Do 9 double crochets on each chains. Repeat this step until you reach the end in desired size. And you are done. Sexy, sexy. Hope you enjoyed my tutorial and found it useful. Love you all. Take care, crochet baddies.